omoncho murigereria o KISII FM digital na kwariganire na ende sechanire iga chingaki na kwariganire Amang'ana Amayia senchire yobwekirano ense yemo yabono margoba retera ninguru kwa purity Nyangweso ritangani kegima ngonyiri ngana bogotonyora wetere metando yonsi pe social media KISII FM 94.1 egati yadina kwariganire margoba bono ngamono roboti kurwa se county ya KISII abasomo governor we county yo omoske Paul Simbarati ritukorerero aikira naso murubirio bokoro amagire gochia sabaremi ase eskuru ya magire yoboremi ya ATC mumucho bosongo abasane kibina nachi ko batoka chibesa chechi basari gochia sechi ward chance gocha kiriki gocha naboigo omonogere wenyombene ni obagambia State House umuske Hussein Mohamed nigene kebno muraibensi ya Kenya umuske William Ruto ase taro ya gocha kira ritukuria ankyo gocha sorgongorwa gusi nigara chekwe nikia magendero anene mono korose chipara na bigogo che kurata umurubiruri bwa mache chinsemo cia kigati imeye county ya KISII boigo oboba nigo bogendrete kwene kigwa ase chinsemo cia nyamakoro to chigotoka Kitutu Masaba imeye county ya Nyamira megayo mugakoyomo no monginoye gotoka kibaitire nkamwabo ari tukore igoro mugaso moncho murigereria ayamona yanda mange nigona na kwariganirie kabenenche gwikomwerio oyanyora senchira yobwekirano ritukorerero nigo mugabana bwe county ya KISII omoske Paul Simbarati aikira naso muruburi bokoro amagirio gochia sabarimi iguru yobotobo baliraba amono bochenu bwirira semegondo omuruburi yokoreka ase skuru yokoro amagirio yoborimi ya ATC mumucho bosongo abase omoske Simbari ngomogeni bwesiko kakona chinse micho omoske Simbani gaine kyabuna gochakire bike gocha ni gagocha kobatoka chibesa gochia sechi ward chance me county ya KISII abasekere ward egwechikonyora chishilingi chemiloni 3 chechi basari echichira chigokonya abaroko bari bakurwa sechinga chitari kwenyara.
And soil fertility. As you all know, KISII is an agricultural county and our soil are arable, but we are faced with the challenge of diminishing land size. This is causing our soil to be exhausted due to the tilling of farmers undertake year in, year out. It is important, therefore, to have a moment like this to think and to take stock of the state of our soil and seek intervention towards the improvement of soil fertility. As I've walked around and visited many, of course not many, one, both, I'm excited of the explanation I go there. My administration is committed to harness every effort to promote sustainable soil management techniques in the county. Allow me to say our farmers receive $1.9 million of farm sale and 2.4 million US sales. Abantu aminto amarabaya abantu nabanchali egesukali kialengoro gekor kuwanjare keke leronkero igomu chando noro out of soil testing yeto okoraga iga na butugocha kumanyanga ki narali acidity ya maraba ya chire mono omule lime I'm told that bag is only 500 shillings. As a county again, I think we need to put into forward budget something to assist the farmers who are serious farmers, tuwanunulie, tuwape ile line. Wiki wanyatalia president egocha maambigaiga. Wiki egocha mkoye mwole mwenspi chi form chi basari chi abana igoro omuntu olio nko print chi form na etwe igongo twalji form wikamambia gaki onyaye gukonyara kwiro mwana school to wasa wa apply olio no maeto monto mutakeke nyoro tiga apply lakini kire ward na nyeire chi milioni 3.
Agriculture in this country, it is a laboratory where all analysis and tests started in the 1924, and therefore we have a wide experience of soil testing and analysis. I want to say that this is a very, very important day in KISII, because we recognize that the root cause of the declining food production in this country is soil fertility. That these stakeholders, the KISII-DMS and the FIPS have identified is the issue of soil pH, which is a measure of the soil acidity. And this is a very, very important soil parameter because it determines the availability of all the minerals that are in the soil required by the plant for productivity.
Kenya Crops and Dairy Market Systems activity is an activity that is funded by USAID and is working in 12 counties in the country, 9 of which are in the larger western and 3 of which are in eastern. And KISII County happens to be one of them. Over the years, we have received a lot of support from KISII County, with the KISII Department of Agriculture initiating programs and approaching us for support within the county. The issues of soil have been a major key deterrent to productivity in the region. So KISII-DMS, in this last phase of implementation, have 3 broad objectives in supporting farmers. One of which is to cushion farmers against the microeconomic shocks resulting from the Russian and Ukraine conflict.
No boba ni gobogendrete kwenye kigwase chinsemo chenya makoroto ebungi ya Kitutu Masaba ime county ya Nyamira nije magega yomugako yomono munginoye gotoka kibaitire nkamwabo omugaso bweritu kuregoro mugako yomanyekanite buna Edward Morema bemyaka 53 oyikanya omenyete ensi America amono mungino yokuru kwa Grace Morema bemyaka 51 nigo banyoretwe kibaitire nkamwabo abwase egotebekana batigire chengoma chimbe mono chikobetwe meyo ya Masaba South okuru kwa Robert Ndambiri nigene kiribuna nigo babeta bagutingwa magoko na maguru gutumika chiwaya asebegekagire buna nigo batubetwe menwa mbake kurate nigo bono abakori emiremo babiri asenka yomugako yo omugaka Morema babekire byara erinde bachigo konya asobotuki obwabanyanyimbo bagendrete chinsemo icho.
Tukapata Morema ndiye tulitangule kumuona kwa gari yake narara ndiye alikuwa narara chini. Walitumia binding wires wakamufunga hapa kwa singo, wakamufunga sana, alafu mikono na binding wire, miguu na binding wire, akarara chini
na deep cut kwa kichwa, na mwanzo walifungwa mikono. Inaonekana hao wauaji walikuja wakawateka nyara kwanza, wakawafunga mikono na baadaye wakafunga mdomo ndio wasipige duru.
Nikiombe kyabanogere beche bunge chechi county nigo bana baburire serikali yenene kobatoka chibesa chiri cyabegetwe nsemo goche kwena no goche aseche bunge cyo erinde goche gokonya gwikira n'imirimo ao aseche serikali chechi county bagokwana nabariki bamang'ana Amayia magayo gotarira ebunge ye county ya Kwale abanogeri abo beche bunge chechi county nigo batebiribuna emirobero ao nigo yerendire magega asegeke getambe kobatakana no konyorwa goko batoka gweche besechyo anene mano mirobero yoko bakana abakore emirimo bagokora emirimo aseche bunge chechi county nigo boigo abanogeri abo batebiribuna barabuni go berwete ko gendera kurwanirira devolution rende kone kiango sira bara magenderero aseche county anene mona ase sector yobochenu amone sector yoboremi.
Kwa mfano kwa sasa hatuwezi kulipa wale ambao wanatupatia services kwa county assembly, lakini zaidi ni kwamba members of county assembly pia wanaumia kwa sababu malipo yanachelewa. So tungeomba zaidi serikali kuu iweze kutilia manani, kama vile walisema kwamba wangependa kusupport county governments na devolution. There is no better way in which the government can demonstrate that than by ensuring that pesa ambazo zimetengewa county governments zimeweza kurudiziwa kwa wakati ambao unafaa.
Tutashikana ili kuweza kuhakikisha kuwa devolution itaenda mbele. na hatutaki kwenda nyuma tena, kwa sababu maendeleo yanatakana kufikishwa kwa wananchi wote. Kwani ukiangalia katika economy na social economic activities ambazo ziko katika maeneo haya ya hii devolution yameenda chini katika miaka ambayo imekuwa, kwa sababu ya siasa na kwa sababu pia ya kiuchumi.
Kuna mengi ambayo tunaweza kukopi, kuiga kutoka kwa hii county. Majengo ni mazuri, tumekutana na leadership, tumeona leadership iko sawa, na kwa hiyo leadership nimeona kuna kina mama wametambulika sana kwa leadership ya hapa, na I was very impressed by that.
Omonogeri wenyumba nene yobagambia State House umuske Hussein Mohamed nigene kiribuna asetaro y'umuraibensi ya Kenya umuske William Ruto ya matuka tato gocha soro gongorwa gusi nigara chekwene kya magenderero au ugwetero umurubiro bwe serikali yumanyakanite buna bottom up kaokona ritukura rero umuske Hussein nigaine kyabuna umuske Ruto nigara chigocha kya magenderero au anene mono okorosi wa gwepara ya gekano gocheri goma goikage komu nabo igo atie kotarira okugura bwekerano ko murubiri wa mache chinsemwe cya Kigati imeye county ya KISII nigo boigo umuske Ruto arachigokora chinkwana na baraya mwana bamenyi be county ya KISII chinga kiboigo arachigwikirana umuyiga boko muchingira umwaziri w'ichisemi umuske Ezekiel Machogu umuske Hussein Mohamed nigaringiko ya kwana ya imeye county ya KISII chinga kikirana esto ya body chimbusuro ni chinyeke aiga Kenya ya NCPB kubwatuka obuyi bwigirire gurigo cia sabareme borogongorwa guse.
First, to notify you that President William Ruto will tomorrow, 23rd March 2023, begin a 3-day walking tour of KISII and Nyamira counties and Kuria East and West constituencies. The President will inspect and commission several projects in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. During his tour of the region, the President will launch the upgrading of the 33.3 kilometer Gekano Rigoma Amaboko Road, the upgrading of the Nyabohanse Kumumwamu Road and Nyaburu Oboke Ragwe roads. President Ruto will also commission the Kagati Water Project in KISII, and throughout the tour, the working trip, he will hold several meetings with the people, of course, and the leadership of the region. Let me also take this opportunity to update you on key programs under the government's bottom-up economic transformation plan, which prioritizes, of course, reducing the cost of living, creating jobs, improving our foreign exchange, increasing revenues, and, of course, ensuring inclusive growth. So why are we here today at the NCPB depot? On agriculture, a key plank of our agenda, of course, farmers in KISII and Nyamira counties are now, as you can see, receiving subsidized fertilizer through the government subsidy program that is meant to cushion farmers against the high cost of fertilizer, increase agricultural production, and address food insecurity. As we all know, fertilizer play a crucial role in increasing crop yields and enhancing productivity. However, the high costs have been a major challenge to our farmers all through, limiting their ability to fully utilize their lands and reap maximum profits. That is why the President took the bold steps to address this issue by providing subsidies to farmers. And of course, that is subsidizing production, making fertilizers more accessible and affordable, and reducing the price from 7,500 shillings to 3,500. He also promised to do this efficiently in a manner that will get rid of cartels and brokers so that farmers can get what they deserve. And for the first time in the history of this country, in just 6 months, the government has registered 5 million farmers, and distribution is being managed and implemented digitally and efficiently, as is in the case right here at the NCPB depot in KISII County. For this long-range season, the government is committed to supply more than 300,000 metric tons of various types of fertilizers. As of this morning, these are the figures: 1,061,050 kilogram bags of fertilizers had been bought by farmers at the subsidized rate of 3,500 shillings per bag throughout the country.
Niriberera rinene nigorigendrete kwene kigwa asekenyuro kyomwari kegotoke bunge abonchari imeye county ya KISII kubatekana nemirobiro yo mubunge bwensemeyo umuske Charles Onchuke yo gutuma abasabeje gwekigopimo burimo aseba bangite gwekekorosi skuru yo korwa mageri yo bubundi emirobiro yino nyana bo abamenye bensemeyo bataranchirana bagukwana na bariki Amang'ana Amayia abamenyi abo nigo bimurunganiri asekeri bagoteba buna obori mu chinseme ichi nigo boroboke muno na seta iyo baguche korosia skuru ya megeri yo bobundi abase baburirie omubongo bo kung'anyia emerubiro yina kunyira chinsemo chiangeri ekibagoteba kibwato bori mu boisaine korosia skuru yaroro nigo bigo bamuburire omubungu igoro yo kung'anyiwa kwemerubiro yo korosia parish chinseme icho iyo bano bakagirete buna nigo guche korosigwa chinsemo chianyamiobo